Hello, my name is Rishi, and welcome back to 30 Days of Qoom. Today we're going to work on the support and finish up a little bit of styling and prep for my apps. Okay, so to begin, I want to put into here a couple of links, so A tags, like so. And I'm going to leave it at 2 because I don't need 3, but I'm going to leave it at 2, and I will set each of these to a different thing. So first of all, because this is not going to be at the location within our website, we want to put target equals to quote underscore blank end quote for both of these. And we want to put in here YT or whatever your first one is and mail. And what I'll also do is I'll put each of these into their own H4 tag. So, like so. Wrong one, sorry. H4. Nope. Okay. And then you have these two. And if you want to leave like this, it's perfectly fine. You can leave like this so that way they can tap on a link and it'll open up in a new page. But I don't want to put text here, so I'm going to remove these H4s. So quickly undo these. And instead of putting YT and mail, I'm going to put image tags here instead. Image. So image tags don't require a close tag, so we can leave it like this. And each of these will have a source, which is the file path to where their pictures will be stored. In the first link, because it's going to be my YouTube channel, I'm going to put the YouTube link that I copied from here. Notice that over here it doesn't have this whole HTTPS when you look at it like this, but it is all unpacked whenever you paste it. And also, the second one will be email, so I will put mail to, and then whatever your email is. So now what will happen is that whenever they click on, let me first just do this quickly, what that'll do, or put any character there, and it'll create a little blank slot like that. When I tap on this, it'll open up the mail app with a draft to send to this email. As you can see, I've done a lot of drafting. And yes. So next, what you have to do is click upload, and then upload file to upload an image into Qoom. But I have a few images I want to upload, so I'm going to hit upload folder. Next, find your folder that you want to upload. So for me, it is here, here, and I believe it is in this one, yes. I can say this, yeah. Upload. Upload. And now I can say app logos, or assets rather, so assets slash, and because it's my mail, in here if I do this, I can first remove this file, I do not need this, and I can see that I have Gmail and YT. So if I go back up the chain by one, it'll take me to here, and scroll back down here. This is my mail, so I'll put Gmail, I believe. Let's check if it uploads correctly. No. So mail. Okay, so what I forgot here is that it's not just mail, it is a image or a PNG. Therefore, put mail.png. I believe it's gmail.png. Yes. So now I have a big Gmail here, and for this next image, I want to put assets/yt.png, and magic. Now I have my YouTube channel as well as my appella per email. So if you look in the bottom left of my screen, you can see it says mail to, and over here you can see the YouTube channel link. Simple. Yeah. Next thing that I want to do is head into my styles.css, and down at support I want to do hashtag support space a, and then open and click enter. This is saying that I want to reference the a or the link within each of these, within the support, so each of these images essentially, and say width 200 pixel by height 200 pixel. Hold on. Okay, so what I did here is I said a, and then within this a tag I want to call an image, because our image tag was located within an a tag. Therefore, we have to call we have to say within our a tags, this icon, put in, we're going to reference the image. So this is in essence saying within support call a, which in a call image, and this is how it'll work, right? So instead I'll say 50%, and I can remove this, and this gets a little bit stretched, so instead I will leave it at 200 pixels. Yeah, so now we have two images about equally spread apart, and if we want to make these a little bit cleaner, we can say margin left 20 pixel, and we can see there's a little bit of space in between them now, which looks nice. And you can see that right here in the center I don't have a mouse to click on. That's perfectly fine. So this is our support page. You can also add text here, like for example for my website I will put some text here saying OL means ordered list, and then you can do type, I believe, and then say Roman numeral, or just Roman. Like if you do OL types HTML list, yeah. So okay, so you can have a few different ones. You can have the value 1 for type, which will give you default 1, 2, 3, 4. A lowercase, which will give you ABC lowercase. A capital, ABCD capitalized. I lowercase will give you Roman numerals, lowercase and uppercase respectively. So OL and I, like so. Then LI, and for this one I will say go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me how to improve, or how my apps were. Have fun, and give me ideas if you want. Perfect. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, or I, and V, or an IV. But right now they're being cut off slightly by the page, and they look kind of bad. So instead I'm going to fix this, because right now if I pull this up in a new tab and I say developer.qoom.space, you can see that it still doesn't show it at all. So what I want to do is back in my styles, do hashtag support referencing this section, say P margin left, which is the left side of the screen, 10 pixel. Okay, hold on. And text align center. P, yeah, like so. This one will, well, sorry, not center, left. Oh, because we're not calling this like text, we're calling it, this is within a OL, which is within a LI, or a list element. What we can do instead is we can copy this here, take it out of our P tag, like so, to begin with, and then unindent, styles.css, and here do OL. See if this works. No, so we can do OLLI, like so. And then we can say margin left 20 pixels. And now you can see that it creates our list from the right 20 pixels. So this I is 20 pixels away. This I is probably 10, 5, and then roughly 2. If you go further on, it becomes exponentially smaller. So you want to be careful with how much you put here. Make it, you can test around with it to make sure it looks right for you, and have fun with it. So yes, this was the finishing of support and finishing of the style elements. Next time we will work on the form and then my apps. Thank you.